Hi there, good day. Welcome to another unboxing video. We are back at Lower Pierce Reservoir, and hopefully today the chicken will not be giving us too much problem today. Although I see them around, they are behind me. Hopefully they don't make too much noise when I'm making this video like the last one. Okay, so what are we gonna unbox today? Today I just bought a couple of this, and I just received this a couple of days ago. Can you guess what it is? Yeah, it's a storage box, okay, that I'm going to use for my camping stuff. So basically this is a foldable box. Let me show you how it works. Okay, it comes with a board on the top that you can remove. It's quite solid. Okay, so you can actually use this as a table. It's very hardy. Okay, then let me stand up and do this. Okay, so basically you just lift this up and then you open the sides. It claims that you can do it in 3 seconds, but I won't count on it. If you can do it within 10 seconds, it's actually quite good. So it's done. You can see how spacious it is. I got the 55 liters one. They have a smaller one which is 35 or 45, I can't remember, but 55 is the larger one, and this is the size that I would need. Okay, so then with the hard board, it goes on top like this, and that's it. It looks very nice. It's got a wooden look to it. I know this is just I think it's plywood with laminate. Okay, it's very sturdy. It's very sturdy, especially when you have stuff inside the box. It makes it even sturdier. I have gotten someone who weighs about 40 kg to sit on it. It kind of warps a little bit, very slight. So I reckon 25 to 30 kg on top shouldn't be an issue, like small kids sitting down there. So you can use this as a chair. What I like to do is I stack both up, and it is the perfect height for a table. And if you have a higher stove for cooking, putting it on top here is not an issue either. Okay, so this is an empty box. Let me show you how much things I can put into the box. Okay, so I've got one here that is full, and this is the box that I dedicated to all my camping tarps, ground sheets, packs, knives, yeah, most of my camping craft stuff. Okay, so I'm going to remove this. Let's put it over here. Okay, so right on the top I put my I think this is a 3x4 ground sheet. Fits in there just nice. Okay, I'm going to put this aside. I've got my Eric C top right here. This is I think it's also a 3x4. I've got my double hammock from Nature Hike. This is the bag that I use for all my packs for now. So I've got my pack bags. This is my pouch for my small little things like fire starter, lighter, matches, band-aids, you know. Put it over here. This is my older hammock that I used before. Alright, I've got one more. This is a poncho in case it rains heavily, so I'm covered. Got my poncho over here. Spare ropes. Just gonna put it over here. This is a pouch that I got for all my ropes. And the hooks and all that. Okay. Put it over here. I have got, why do I have 3 insect repellent? Okay, never mind. Okay, I got 3 insect repellents here. I got my wet wipes to clean my packs and all that. Okay, to clean all the dirty stuff. These are my suction cups. My suction cups for the awnings and all that on my van. It's over here. These are my, yeah, quite correctly, fairy lights, angel lights. Okay, that I use at night around the tent. spare ropes which I don't use. I've got a hammer for my packs. Again, a small little pouch with hooks and other stuff. Hooks, small suction cups, carabiners, ass hooks right here. Got my knife, one knife, bigger knife, two knives, three knives. Okay, don't ask me why I have so many knives. Okay, any more knives? Okay, no more knives. Why do I have another wet wipe? Okay, I got two wet wipes. I've got a IKEA bag. I just put it in there so that I can put extra stuff if I need to. I've got a fly sheet. This is what I use for my tub. Okay, I'll put this over here. What else do I have? I have a mini tripod. I use this for the lights and all that. If I need to clinch this onto the trunk and all that, I put a light on it so that it can shine the light onto the tent. What else do I have? Nothing. Oh, okay, I've got a shopping bag. Okay, this is my cute shopping bag here. Okay, so you can see how much stuff that can actually go in there in a 55-liter box. Very handy. These are almost all the things I need just to set up the shelter and everything and have everything going. So everything is inside this box. I've got one more box for my cooking stuff. I've got one more box for clothings. That's for my personal use. And then I still have one more box which I am going to use for dry goods, food and stuff like that. Okay, so yeah, so I really like this box. It's very nice. I used it yesterday. I stacked two up, use it as a table. I have another one that I put a stove on top. It's perfect height, and I like the fact that it can be stacked. So in the van, I have two of these stacked together, and then another two stacked together. Total, I have four. I did not bring out the. There's another milky color one that I have, milky white. So I got two black and two milky white. The board is exactly the same color. And so I stacked the four of them together, two and two, and when I drive around, I turn and all that, it doesn't fall off. So far, touch wood, nothing has fallen off. So yeah, that's all I want to talk about today. The storage box, foldable storage box that I got from Shopee for $20 each. I think it's a good buy. It saves me a lot of storage issues, problems, and now I just have to carry the boxes directly to the campsite, and I've got everything, and I can use them as a chair for the kids if they're little ones, and I can use them as tables. I can use them as a stove top, etc, etc. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to make another video for you in the future. Take care.